This video uses an example frame to show you how to place connections in the Module 3. Open the Connections user interface. Firstly, we would like to position the connections for ceiling installation. These connections can be found in the free end connection type. Using the small button with the free end symbol, we can place the same connection again. Now we will add the end caps to the bottom sides, which are also located on the free end connection type. Now we will create suitable corner connections by selecting corner connectors from the collision connection type. Please pay attention to the correct sequence of profile selection for the collision and crossing connection type. The profile that is to be connected must always be selected first. As you can see, all the components of our connections are already intelligently connected to each other. Enjoy the next video.